And again, no music because I don't want YouTube to strike me with copyright strikes. So no music. You're just listening to the sound of my melodious, boisterous voice. With that being said, more with the broccoli. And not the kind of broccoli that you can ignite and get toasted from. This broccoli is dangerous. Not Listeria, but CONAGRA brand broccoli products and certain bird's eye broccoli tot products are being recalled for small rocks and metal fragments. If you purchase CONAGRA brand broccoli and bird's eye broccoli tot product, return it from wherever store you bought it from, not just Walmart, but all stores, supermarket, bodegas, markets, grocery outlets, Safeway, Lucky's, Kroger, Ralph's, Winco, Target, wherever Ralph's. I don't know where you Sam's Club, Costco. Just return it. Take the receipt and return it, man. Get your money back because it's better to be safe than sorry. Get your money back, man. Find another way of nutrition. These people are trying to kill us, man. They letting all this stuff come in. The FDA not checking it out. USDA not doing their job. I mean, we got people just being lazy on the job, man. If you people, we're in the era of people that aren't willing to admit that they don't want to do their job anymore. Just quit or find something else to do. It makes no sense just collecting a check of something you don't take serious, putting the public at risk when it involves people's lives. You know what I'm saying? Just let somebody else step up there really takes the job serious. I'm talking about USDA and FDA and all that. You know what I mean? That's just my 2 cents. All right, but yeah, CONAGRA brand broccoli tots return it.